give some quality content like we heard yesterday. I mean, don't be afraid.
Calling us out. Wow.
We can't just celebrate Ryan from OMF. You're going to bag on John and Shime.
Was this their answer to Karaoke Tuesday, do you think?
I was going to say, Shime has like 5 segments a week now. What are you talking about?
Belly laughs every Friday.
What are you talking about? Belly laughs, you do that. All right, so Ryan yesterday on OMF dropped this gem.
I know as a player who was in a role before of not getting what I feel like I deserve, what type of motivation does that make you have? Because I'm your number one fan when it talks to get you an extension. So if you need an agent, I'm a guy that you need to have on your team, and I truly believe this team should do that.
Wiggy appears to have a bit of a man crush on Cam.
Dear Cam, you might remember me from my radio show. My name is Jermaine Wiggins. You can call me Wiggy, bro. I wish we could talk more, but you're here to talk to Hill, man. Greg is cool and all, but, you know, I'm the real fan. Sometimes I wish it was just you and I on the call, but anyways, kids, what's up, man? You like football? I used to play football, too. I'm the baddest kid from East, Steve. Not seeing you on the field. Hey, do you think that you could teach me? I heard that you were left to die in Carolina, too. I'm sorry. They left me on Sunday mornings with Mark James and Cordy Fallon. I know you probably hear this every day, but I'm your biggest fan. Don't let the Brady talk get to you. You both know that you're the man. I got a room full of your jerseys and your pictures on my wall. My wife isn't happy about that, so now I'm sleeping in the hall. Anyways, just wanted to give you a shout. It's your number one Jermaine. Call me Wiggy. #Wigs out.
Now, Cam, one of the things that, I kind of touched a little bit about is, as fans here, we've known one guy for so long, Tom Brady, and that's why we're all hopeful that there'll be some type of contract extension. Hopefully this does present itself where they, were to come to you and say, hey,